Hi, this is Mary with Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair, and I want to bring you guys a short video on how to request a virtual office. The reason that we request a virtual office because a lot of businesses, a lot of companies, smaller companies, they work from home. But you want to have a physical presence on the web. You don't want to have your home address because when lenders or people look up your address, they're going to pull up your home address if you use your home address. And another reason that we use virtual office is, of course, because of the physical presence when lenders look at you. But Regis, because we use Regis, they send your mail weekly to your home address. So you never really have to go into the office unless you're in that area and you just want to stop by and pick up your mail. But as long as you have that address, they have a forwarding feature and they can forward your mail on a weekly basis to you. It comes in a big white envelope, depending on how much mail you get. It comes in a big envelope with all your mail from that week. So like that Monday through that Friday, when they mail your mail out, you'll get all that mail maybe like that Saturday or that Monday, depending on how fast your mail run and everything. But let's just go and see how to find a virtual office. So we're on Regis.com, and they have different solutions right here. They have like office space, meeting rooms. If you want to meet a client there, co-working space and everything. So if you want to meet somebody there to impress them, hey, I work in this big, nice, fancy building, you can do that also. But as far as your virtual office address, you'll want to use that on every document that you have. Every document that you're filling out that asks for your address, you'll want to make sure you have your virtual address there. That way you're consistent all the way across the board in anything you do. Don't put your home address. Don't use a P.O. box address because lenders can't really look up a P.O. box address, but they can look up your home address. And if your home is not desirable, then they take accountability of everything that goes on. So we're looking for a virtual office and we're looking for it in Mobile. We're using Mobile because that's where we're located. So we go here and click on search. So the Regis offices comes up, but since we're in Mobile, we're going to go in here and type Mobile. You can type in any city, whatever city you're in, if there's a Regis in your area. But if not, then you'll have to look up a virtual office in your area, and you can do the same process as well. So we're in Mobile, so we're going to click on Mobile. So we got Regis at the RSA Battle House in Mobile right here. So we're going to click on that. And if you wanted more information or arrange a visit, you can click on this information up here and put your information in there, or you just can call them. You can call them directly. But this is what it looks like if you had like a little working space right there. The office area, meeting room. If you want to impress your clients by bringing them there. But there is an additional fee other than your monthly fee at Regis. So just make aware of that. So that's what it looks like. Let's see what else down here. It tells you what else available at that center stuff. Office space, co-working space. You can just take a look at it, and they have different membership. So they tell you different prices and stuff like that, but you can call them and see and ask any question that you need to ask in reference to their service and what they provide. But it's located at North Water Street, 11 North Water Street. So I pulled up 11 North Water Street address in Google Maps, and this is what it looks like. So this looks like a professional building, somebody professional. So it's not like a home or apartment or any other building that's less desirable. This is a professional looking building. So when lenders pull you up and pull your address up, they'll be looking at this right here if you have this particular office. So if you have a different office somewhere, then they'll pull that address up. But like I said, if you don't have a Regis in your area, just type in virtual office for whatever city that you're in, and it'll come up. Just take a look at different ones. If you have different virtual offices in your area, then you can choose from what services they offer for you and what you're comfortable with. And just in case you want to go by and pick up mail or something, you may want to choose one that's closer to your area where you live at or where you normally commute. So I just want to show you this quick video on how to select and get a virtual office. My name is Mary Taylor with Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair. If you want your credit fixed, put Mary Taylor in the mix. And also, you can find us on social media channels. Just look for Better Day Consulting. Thank you and have a great day.